Hi guys, today let's see about Metasploitable Framework. Metasploitable Framework is an open source penetration testing tool which has been developed by Rapid7. Okay, so it's not only kind of penetration testing tool which helps to do some vulnerability assessment and as well as for the red teaming purposes. Okay, it helps to find exploitations and then vulnerabilities into the network or an application or a software. Okay, it's widely used by cybersecurity professionals, unethical hackers, and as well as a black hat hackers. Okay, so what is the key features of in Metasploit? So Metasploit it helps to create exploitations, payloads, auxiliaries, post exploitations, encoders, and meter sessions. Okay. So in Metasploits we can able to do reconnaissance and enumeration part. So how we can able to do the performance in the task. Okay. So here I have my Kali Linux which helps to open my Metasploit. So there is a two ways to do the Metasploit. Either it can be by Linux or it can be pre-developed by into the Windows also. Okay. So before that, let me break it down. What is an exploitations? So exploitation is a malicious code which helps to build by any Pythons or a B or a Rust-based languages, which helps to gain the reversal of a target. Okay. So here I open my Metasploit. So the simple command of MSF console which helps to open our Metasploit. Okay, it's simple. So you can able to see it is a current version which I'm using as 6.4.18. Okay, so I can able to see 2435 exploitations, 125 auxiliaries, 429 post exploitations and payloads is there. Okay, so it's simple. Just type show exploit. I can able to see what is the exploitations for different purposes. It can be for port enumeration parts of SMTP. Okay, and then Windows and exploitations even for Linux. So you can able to see this is a Samba version for the Metasploit, which helps to create a manual of gaining access. Okay. Now let's we jump into payloads. So it's the same process to exploit with the payloads also. Just type MSF console. One second. Let me get into the mouse. Yes. Show payloads. So here I can able to see in payloads I can able to create metapita sessions and then payload for the blind shell. Okay, PowerShell scripts. It's just simple. Just what I do use. Just type this use and copy and paste anything. And now I'm just pasting this for the random expectations. Okay, that's it. If I type just kind of show options. So when I did a show options, I can able to see what is required. Okay, what is the description about it? So what is the name of the tool? Okay, so what is the currently process and settings we have to set over there? So here the requirement is L host, L port. Okay, that's it. So what is L port is a listener port where the attacker want to listen our ports and services or our gain our VNC viewers accesses. Okay, it's just easy to set. Just like L host. Okay, and your IP address. Let me put my local IP address. Okay, now I have to set some L port. So to set L port, just type and type your random service port. Here I'm going with 444 and just give run. Sorry, let me give show options again to set whether the every payload has been set it. S everything has been set it. The proxy also has been set it. That's it. If I give export, it will be start exportations. So it's just simple. You can go with anything of for the for penetration testing, either into the Windows or into Linux or a Mac or a network, anything. So we can able to see you have a metapita sessions. Let me open this too and set it whether it is working or not. Just simple. Just set. Okay. So the metapita session will be setting over here. Okay, let me clear the screen and exit. Okay. So that's it about Metasploit framework. It's simple to use it. Okay, we have a command line based, we have a GUI based too. So for the download for the GUI based, it's just simple. Go to your any browser. So open with your browser. You can go with So you can just download the GUI based for the Windows or a Linux or anything. It's just open source. We have a professional version which helps to create some users under Metasploit framework. Okay, where you can able to work with a group of companies or a group of people too for your penetration testing assessment. Yeah, guys, that's about Metasploit framework fundamentals. Thank you, guys.